We are the only and the first Italian radio in Ireland. Radio Dublino is a weekly radio program broadcasted in Euro FM, community radio, in Dublin. There are 5 studios. It's a big technical support for us. But Radio Dublino is not just a radio program. We provide information in Italian. We make interviews. We provide music in Italian and also Italian lessons for Irish speakers interested in Italian languages, etc. Basically, it's an independent and alternative space where we can promote alternative content. When I come in Dublin in 2007, I found a lack of integration between the Italian community and the Irish community. And I found also a very strong interest in Italian language, Italian culture, Italian cuisine, of course, etc. So my intention was try to create a bridge between the local people and Italian community. There is a huge quantity of people that ask us for information for courses, interested in Italian languages, Italian art, everything about Italy is very cool, it's very fashion. Basically, our program is 1 hour with news, with Italian music. In the second part, we used to have a guest every week. Could be an artist, a musician, a writer, an entrepreneur, etc. It's not just a radio program live, it is a podcast. It is a big archive of interviews, content. It's a big community with a lot of interaction between the presenters and Irish and Italian audience. We have a strong Facebook page, a Twitter and SoundCloud accounts. Radio Dublino was born to be a very short program, temporary program. I was planning to broadcast a program for a few months. It was a new experience for me. I was just trying a new media. Now it's become very big, bigger than my expectation. I like to see Radio Dublino live for the future, sort of free, independent, alternative space with real Italian point of view. Avremo come al solito la musica italiana che ci accompagna e questa settimana anche un brano in irlandese. Win the European Language Label Award feel me very happy, not just for me but for the Italian community. We are growing a lot. We love Ireland. My feedback are very positive from my Italian guests who live here. For me it means, okay, that's working. People are interested in your project. You are not alone, so you spend time not for nothing.